Waterworld Cebu. Maligo na ko again.
Where's the park?
Where's the park? This Waterworld can only be found in Mandaue City, Cebu, Philippines. Are you excited?
Yeah, excited.
She's excited. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, Candy.
Yeah, hi. Let's check the map, Achi.
Is the
We
map
can go in the tsunami wave, man.
right?
Oh, food world.
Hi. The tickets. Get in.
Count about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Morning. Going inside at padumi sa among suite. We have the key here. And whoa! So cool. Let's check it out. Let's go, Candice. Wow! Let's go to our room. Sheesh! Whoa!
Morning, ma'am.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you. Hello. And this is our room tour. We have only 2 beds and then some chairs, and it's a transparent glass. And then you go here, it's the bathroom. It's really simple. Dali French, that's sunscreen.
Siya pala Scarlett. Ata, palay ko sa Scarlett ta. Scarlett, come on.
Bye! Bye! Okay, we're go ahead. Nakahook ko, I'm inside. I don't know what to do first. I will see. Say hi! Go! Bye, turn. Let's slide dungan, Candy. 1, 2, 3, go! Blue ka siyang blue. Set, go!
So guys, welcome to my vlog. We're sliding in the yellow slide. Ibuwash ko. Kita mo ani. Nag-slide ko karon sa yellow slide. Nag-move ko karon sa kuan. And ilan ko sa kuwangan.
What are you doing?
This turn, she'll ride the ride. She'll go. Huh? No, she'll go.
Excuse me, English or Spanish?
Maybe it's something I can know. Sleeping like baby, really old. One time peace for yourself. Love by friends and feel the cold.
Go!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Are you crazy? I thought it was a...
Set, go! Dad! Paning kamuti, Dad! We're going. Ooh. What would you do if someone will drown?
Kuan, tagon lifeguard dan maambak tubig. Lagi makakuan.
Na, let's go. Say hi. We're coming right now, chill. We can make slides. We were going to the slide, and now we're going to the huge ass slide. I don't know what I'm gonna feel. I'm kind of nervous, but you know me, I've already jumped over a waterfall, so a slide is nothing. Okay, ready, set, go. Grabe, slide na ka, mapagay ko na ready. Oh my God! Ah, lagpot. Take yarn. Wow. Pagawin ako kuya.
Sige na. Asa silang wawi? Ano silang wawi?
Say hi. Okay. That's it. Jessica. Fiona. Fiona. Jim. Jim, ibagay ko.
Going to the high slide.
Go, Archie. Perfect.
Kiss mo, today.
Go, Chess. Go, Chess.
Ah, kikuan, Manoy.
Okay. Kamay man siya.
Okay, we're off to our next slide. I did not slide the yellow because I could not. Like, I have no bravery for that. I did try the green one, but for the rest, I cannot because it's so straight. It would feel like you're actually falling off from the sky. And like, maybe if I do try that slide, I will wake up in heaven. Uy! We're going to that slide and we're going up. Oh.
I like them chunky.
Where they walk, up where they run, up where they stand in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of the world.
Go, go. Wow, you're such an expert.
Come on, come on.
This is us having fun with waves. Loki, want to try surfing after this? I think that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. But in the future, I guess.
Body doll.
Then,
Baby ball.
and Kenneth is eating. Yummy. Are you done, Ligo? Oh, wala pa. So I've just been going around this thing for like 3 times already, and I think I am officially done. So I'm gonna change because I want to get something comfy. So already changed, done showering, and we're done for today. I got a little bit tanned with some sunburns on my cheek and nose. Also Candy. Right, Candy? Yeah. But we're done. Some of us are still showering, but we're done. Going home.
What?